see, it's kind of a windy, crappy day on the ranch. So we're in our little UTV